Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And guess where I am? I am at the San Jose airport. I'm in California. This was a dream trip and I'm just so excited. Ignore my face. मैं बहुत थक गई हूँ because of the travel, but I'm just loving this feeling of being here and then being in California. So I'm also meeting I'm here and I'll stay with my best friend Soumya. She and her husband are going to come and pick me up. So I'm just waiting for them at the airport right now. I'm just so excited and so grateful because this trip is finally happening. And I still remember I used to talk to my friend Soumya about this trip, that one day I'll come to California to meet you finally, and now it is happening. So I'm just so excited, and I'll vlog my entire trip. I'll keep showing you guys everything, and yes, just I'm just so excited. I don't have words. I'm grateful and just very excited.
That's number 32 and 37, please.
Wow.
मुझे गर्मी लगने लग जाती है, so I'm like
अभी
do that.
क्रिसमस डेकोरेशंस देखने आए हैं
Yeah,
एंड जिम कर रही है.
because it's too cold.
Hi guys, so it's day 2. Yesterday was very chill. We were like enjoying, chit chatting, and then in the evening, because I was very tired because I was traveling the whole day since night in New York, so that's why I was very tired. But then I reached Soumya's house and we ate. I showered, got freshened up, and then in the evening, we went to a Christmas park and it was fun. It was very nice, quiet, and we were walking and talking a lot. And then in the evening we were playing games, card games, which was very fun. And now it's day 2 and we are going to SF, and I'll show you guys Soumya officially.
Hi, that's me.
That's me. So we literally reached like within few minutes over here because we were about to miss our train, but हम पहुंच गए time पे. So very excited and hopefully, because it's my first time in SF. ये लड़की तो बहुत जा चुकी है SF, so it's nothing new for her, but so excited, and I'll keep vlogging everything and I'll show you guys everything. But yes, very excited. We are in SF. So now we are going to. Oh, someone scream. Now we got down from the train, and now we're going to Golden Gate, because we were thinking ki, till the time we have sunlight,
Yeah.
because it's winter, so it gets dark very quickly. So till the time we have sunlight, we'll go.
We should look at the Golden Gate Bridge, and we want to see it in sunlight because
Yes.
it can get foggy anytime. So we don't wanna risk it. So we wanna take a Muni bus, bus number 30 for anyone who's
Yes.
coming to SF.
And this was Caltrain, by the way.
Yeah, we came from San Jose.
San
so,
Jose.
Now we're gonna take a bus and we're gonna change 2 buses. Nobody cares about it, but we are just saying more details.
Yes.
But yeah,
Because we don't know driving.
yeah, we do not
So,
have a car,
yes.
and even if we know little bit driving,
We don't
cannot-
have license.
We don't have license, and we cannot drive in SF because
Yes.
SF, the roads are quite slopey.
Yes.
We're scared of slopey roads. Okay.
So we'll keep showing you guys everything. Right now, we got down from the bus and now we are going to a different point to catch a different bus that will go to the Golden Gate viewpoint, and we are literally running. Huh? Oh, chal chal.
Street aa jayegi.
Crooked street. Oh, the curved street. The roads here are so pretty. They are like literally slopes. Look at these houses. So pretty. We are running for the bus. Still 28. We'll catch the bus and then I'll be back again. We missed the bus. इतना भागने के बाद भी, but waiting for another bus, 28 number. It will come and then we'll go to the Golden Gate Park. We are at the Golden Gate Bridge. It's so pretty, and the view is crazy. And also the prison Alcatraz, even that prison is over here, and you can actually see the prison from here. But anyways, I'll stop talking. I'll show you guys the view. This is the view. Oh my god, and the wind is crazy too, but the view is so amazing. Like, I have no words. I was so excited to see the Golden Gate Bridge, and I am finally here. Just look at the view. and then there's this way that goes down. Just look at the view. Oh my god. And this is the Golden Gate Bridge. Guys, मैं ये feeling express नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. Like it's very blissful, and just everyone should travel, to be honest. Like, please, even if you get any opportunity, just travel, and that experience is very magical when you travel, and it's very sublime. It's truly just every opportunity you get, travel. Don't spend money on luxurious products, rather put it into savings and save up for a trip, plan a trip, and then just go. I can't explain in words how grateful I am to travel and like just see different things. It's amazing. We are at Pier 39. It's so pretty, and then from here we can see the Alcatraz prison more closer.
And we can
But
also
it's
see Golden Gate.
and we can also see Golden Gate, but we are not on that side right now. We are just exploring some. It's like a market, so we'll go see that first, eat something,
Christmas tree.
and then we'll go on that side. Oh yes, there's a Christmas tree also over there.
I think
Everything is Jingle Bell.
रात में अच्छा होगा.
Guys, we are at, what's the name of this place?
Crepe place.
Yeah, it's called Crepe Cafe, and we are having the strawberry chocolate crepe. It looked so amazing from the window outside, so we just came in to have it. Excited. We both are eating crepe now. We got the same crepe,
Yeah.
but it looks so tasty.
I mean, you just saw it
Yeah.
in the video. So it was sick. Yeah. So excited. I think this is my second crepe in life.
What?
No, actually not. But
No,
I
why?
eat it.
I don't know why I made that reaction. This is my first crepe. First ever, yeah. I never ate a crepe.
I have had it, but I'm not super into it. So I mean, I'm always into it, but I never felt like eating.
Eating it.
So,
And it's also heavy, I think. It's like it looks very heavy.
but you were supposed to eat lunch, and we are eating this
Because we got influenced and
by
tempted.
this.
Yes.
Yeah, because they have this very good strategy of showing how they make the crepes,
Crepes. Yeah.
and that sort of made us.
And it's on display.
yeah,
That's
so
why.
that's why we decided to.
Yes.
And we love strawberries, and I love strawberries and chocolates together. So yeah.
Nutella.
Yeah.
Yummy. Don'ts for husbands. Let's read one.
Maybe I should get this for my
Raj.
husband.
Try to realize that they have nothing to do with it, and that it is unfair to make them suffer.
ये कितने की है? I need to buy this for him. London. Oh, interesting. I want to see what.
Interesting. Yeah, check what wife wants.
I think it will be the same thing, but just for my
Just for read one.
मामू बनाते हैं.
Don't forget, if he is nervy, to watch if the tea habit is getting too strong. Him nerves are often due to too much tea as to too much worry.
Oh.
Nice. I think couples put locks here. So cute. Bye bye view. Yes, let's go. There's a show going on, so we are going for that at Pier 39. Yeah, she has
Seen it all.
everything. Yeah, everything. She is the biggest ambassador of California, and now I know why. I love California. I want to move here.
I get it.
Guys, this is San Francisco's very famous sourdough factory. Then
It's a
like a shop.
It's a shop. You can buy sandwiches also. You can do a lot of things. You can eat sandwiches. You can buy the bread.
Huh.
You can get a lot of things. They also have one branch in San Jose where we live. But yeah, this is the original place, and the sourdough mother dough is quite old. Like they are like as old as 175 years.
Oh my god.
Yeah, like they're really old.
So cute.
Yeah, they recently did their 175 years anniversary.
Wow.
So
Oh yeah, they have a cafe here.
yeah, and they also give you that what is that soup?
Olive oil
No, no,
and
no.
then that.
They have that bowl like sourdough
Yeah.
bread. It's in the shape of a bowl, and they have that
Oh,
soup
potato
inside.
soup. That's
No,
a potato
not a
soup.
potato
I
soup.
know.
It's some crab. It has some seafood.
Okay.
And it has some cheese and everything.
Nice. But I have tried that with potato soup. Yeah, this is the
Cafe.
Borden. This is their cafe.
Famous crab.
The famous crab.
This is the fisherman's wharf.
Yes.
So इसीलिए you smell a lot of fish. We are at this mini beach.
And this is Ghirardelli. अभी हम अंदर जाएंगे. We'll go inside now. And this is a beach right in front of Ghirardelli. There are two boys. I don't know who they are just swimming there in this cold. I don't know how.
And some girls also, my god, they're like,
Yeah. Yeah, literally. I don't know how they are doing that. It's literally very, very cold. Oh my god, the sunset, so pretty.
it's already
The
set,
view.
it's the pink sky.
Yeah, and that's the Golden Gate Bridge. Very pretty. Yeah, see guys, can you see? They're swimming in this cold. At Ghirardelli. It's looking upside down on the video. It's a factory that they have converted into a commercial experience now, and then they also have so cute Christmas lights, and they're right in front of the ocean. I'm just in love with ocean now. I really want to just move here. I've become an ocean person now. Now I know why she used to say so much about California.
I
Yes.
think you're saying this for the 5th time in this video.
Yes, I'm in love with California, guys. Ghirardelli. We are going inside now. Yeah, old complex.
But in between the lights, I guess towards the edges, they put.
We are going inside now and they have multiple different customizable chocolates. Oh my god. So cute. Crazy. Okay, I like a lot of milk chocolates.
Okay.
So I'm taking milk chocolates and then dark. No, I don't like dark chocolate.
Really? I like lava
Dark
cake.
chocolate lava cake.
That will be so good. It will still have sugar in it. It will be good. Trust me. Okay, fine. Wait.
Dark chocolate is so bitter.
I like raspberry also, but I think you will not like.
Chocolate raspberry. Why is everything dark chocolate?
You can read it over here. This is good. I have tried it.
Sea salt almond.
Actually, no, don't take that.
No.
Because you don't like dark chocolate. This is also
Yeah,
dark.
I don't like dark chocolate.
What is this? 72%.
Intense dark. This is also intense dark.
Intense dark.
dark. I think they don't like milk chocolate.
What is that? Insane.
Intense dark.
White chocolate sugar cookie.
White chocolate sugar cookie.
White chocolate caramel. Yeah.
Yeah, I think this will be good. Let's put more of this. And this
Yeah, this will be good. Milk
Yeah.
chocolate caramel will be
sea
good.
salt.
Sea salt caramel. Oh, I think this waffle cone.
Cone. Let's take.
I think you're taking too much. Ashu.
And this is never mind. Peppermint rice crisp. I think this will be pepperminty,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
No.
this will be.
So, I got a lot of chocolates from Ghirardelli. I got some different flavors. So when I go back to New York, I'll give it to my friends to try.
Free chocolate.
And we got one free chocolate
Because we pretended
to stand in a line. Yeah, there was a huge line because they were doing these free Christmas ornaments.
And people were standing for hours.
Yes, but we just pretended to stand in a line and we got the free chocolate. But we are walking to the bus stop right now. So we take the bus back to the Caltrain and then back to San Jose. It was a fun day.
Yeah.
Yes, thanks
so
to her.
There's no need to thank me. Come on.
But we enjoyed a lot, like literally
I
a
made
lot.
this factory actually.
Yeah, she made this factory again. She made the San Francisco Golden Gate Bridge. She made this factory, everything. Oh, we could have just walked from there. And this Ghirardelli premises, they also have cute cafes and oh my god, yeah, but
Everything sugar.
everything sugar, yes. And since we ate, run. Is this the bus? Yeah, since morning we are just running for the buses. क्या हुआ? Which bus do we have to take? And I got some SF t-shirts, souvenirs for myself and my friends. Okay, crossing now. We'll catch the bus and then I'll be back. Getting in the train right now to go back to San Jose. We're back to San Jose now and we are waiting for Somu's husband to pick us up. Raj is picking us up and we're just waiting here near Whole Foods. We're also picking up a pizza for dinner and then we'll go home, have dinner, chit chat. Today was a lot of fun. I enjoyed so much and fun fact, we met this lady in the train, and पूरे ट्रेन में उनसे बातें करते करते कब टाइम निकल गया पता ही नहीं चला. एंड इट वाज वेरी नाइस टू मीट समवन न्यू, एंड लिटरली 1.5 hour we were just talking to her, so it was very nice. We're just picking up the pizza now, and then I'll be back and I'll show you guys the pizza.
Let's dive right in. Let me grab some. You have ice?
I want Coke. Yeah.
Yeah, but
मुझे भी coke, and we are
पुराना
eating
वाला Coke
pizza.
पूरी के लिए चलेगा?
Now we're eating pizza and watching Home Alone. Somu eating her pizza ulta.
Backwards.
Backwards, yeah.